Massage na sa atong client, no? So, ato siyang i-massage. Then, pag-PM lang mo guys, kung gusto mo magpalit ani nga plus, kay ako'y naghimo ani nga plus avocado o massage oil. So, for today's video guys is needed jud na to plus i-try gid na to kung mo ka magid kay good for arthritis ni siya, then pen, body pen. This is for good body pen and also your ankle.
Oh, yeah.
This is good for your ankle. And let's do it guys.
Oh.
Wow.
Ah, very good.
Diba?
What is it?
Because very nice this one.
It's very good. What is it?
This is nice to kuan.
Oh.
That's the one I made.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Yes. Soon I have client over here in Tagaytay. She needs to call with me. Hello, are you Arna Salamayag?
I know so many people asking for you.
Yeah, what?
You're famous.
But I need to put all this one.
That's a good one.
Yeah, I need to put all.
Ah, put.
Because kuan.
Okay.
Guys, kay kaning avocado siya guys is habang tumatagal na ganito siya is then you forgot to buy alcohol, sir.
Shake it.
Yeah, you forgot to buy alcohol.
Okay.
You know?
Shake.
So, ang ganda talaga niya, guys. Hala. What happened? Didn't come out.
Oh, something will stick.
Ah.
The hole. Oh.
Good. Ma'am Hermes, the problem is here.
Yeah.
Ma'am Hermes, but I do it have lit like this. I do
The
it like,
problem is here.
why?
She's problem is here.
The same with you. But totally, I really love him.
Yeah, because he's dancing too much.
So, ato ni siyang inanan siya tapos after you,
Yeah. Yeah, over there, mostly my finger.
yeah.
It's enough oil. How
Here,
many?
the other one.
Oh, you finish it?
No, you should put this one
Ah,
after
that
you
is settled.
put it back. Because you're back.
Oh,
and
it's
I
settled.
here.
What time is it?
Hello guys. Thank you for watching guys.
2:45.
Bakit ganun?